A birthday party essay in English. During the lunch break in school, Ria distributed her birthday party invitation cards to all the classmates. It was her 8th birthday. The children were all excited for her birthday party, which was the next day. They started planning about a beautiful gift for her. On her birthday, they reached her house at 4 o'clock in the evening. The children were all dressed in their best clothes. The house had been decorated beautifully for the birthday party. There were bunches of balloons hanging all over on the walls, doors, and windows. There were colorful streamers too hanging among the balloons. The flower vases were full of fresh flowers. The children could hear birthday songs being played loud on the music systems. Ria and her parents received them warmly. Ria was dressed up nicely, which was making her look special. The children wished her happy birthday. The fun began when Ria's father gave them birthday caps and masks to wear. The children looked quite funny in those caps and masks, but they were having a great time. While her mother brought some refreshments for all of them, her father kept them engaged in games which he had planned beforehand. They started with passing the parcel and everybody enjoyed it. The next game was showing your talent, wherein the children performed, danced, sang songs, recited poems, and cracked jokes. They all played other games like musical chairs and treasure hunt. The winners were awarded with prizes. The children had a good time together. It was then time for the big moment. Ria's mother brought a big cake. It was beautifully decorated with pink and white icing. 8 colorful candles sat in the middle of the cake. The children sang happy birthday to Ria, after which she blew the candles and cut the cake. The children clapped their hands and gave her gifts that they had brought for her. She was happy to receive them and thanked everybody. The children helped themselves to slices of the delicious cake and some snacks and juices. Finally, at about 6 in the evening, the party came to an end. The children were all tired but happy. Ria's parents gave them return gifts. The children thanked them for the wonderful gifts and the lovely time that they had spent at the party. Ria was very happy with the celebration. She thanked all her friends and bade them goodbye. It was a memorable birthday party. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.